Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Open the trunk. To remove the light block, you must remove the screw which is located on the trunk. To do this, use a flathead screwdriver. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. The bulbs on the brake lights, the indicators and the reversing spotlights are removed in the same way. Make a quarter turn anti-clockwise by taking the tab, then pulling on the hole. To remove the bulb, push and unscrew a quarter turn. To reassemble, do the same operation but the other way round.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
To replace the bulb on the side lights, make a quarter turn anti-clockwise by taking hold of the tab, then remove the whole thing, then pulling the whole thing. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the light back in its housing. Screw back on the holding screw for the headlights. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.